Welcome to the Bose Videobar VB1 hardware overview tutorial. Here you will learn about the hardware features built into this all-in-one USB conferencing device that provides premium audio and video to meeting areas, from focus rooms to huddle spaces and up to medium-sized conference rooms. The VB1 features an elegant, low-profile design that complements any environment. Its slim size measures 686mm wide, 48mm high, and 96mm deep, and weighs only 2.5 kilograms. The VB1 employs several technologies to ensure both sides of the call can effectively communicate with one another. A 4K Ultra HD camera delivers crystal clear video, helping remote participants feel like they're in the room. With its wide horizontal field of view and with auto framing, they can freely move around without worrying about being out of view. The camera is also suitable for spaces up to 6 meters deep, and with its 5x digital zoom and camera presets, remote participants can read small text during critical whiteboarding sessions. When not in use, an included privacy cover can be placed over the camera. Front panel indicators surrounding the camera inform participants in the room about mic mute status and Bluetooth pairing. A light bar is also included to indicate statuses and provide feedback, such as when a call is active or when volume is adjusted. Please refer to the owner's guide for a comprehensive list of use cases. 6 beam steering microphones actively focus on voices up to 6 meters away to deliver optimized audio to remote participants. No additional microphones on the table or in the ceiling required. In addition to this, user-defined exclusion zones help minimize unwanted noise in areas where microphone pickup is not desired. Clear voice playback and room-filling sound is delivered through two 1.5-inch tall racetrack transducers, each powered by 20 watts of amplification to deliver a peak 89 decibels max SPL. The drivers are tilted inward to minimize side reflections and localize remote participant voices to the faces on the video display. On the right side of the VB1 are 2 buttons that enable mic mute and Bluetooth pairing. An included remote control also provides access to these functions in addition to volume and camera settings. On the rear panel, you'll find several connection options. To the left, there's a high-speed gigabit Ethernet port to connect the VB1 to wired networks. This provides access to the browser version of Bose Work configuration software for device setup and configuration. It also allows you to connect to Bose Work management software used for remote management. The VB1 also includes an onboard wireless network card supporting 802.11ac. You'll learn more about this in our software tutorials. To the right is the HDMI port supporting up to 4K resolution for connection to the room video display with the provided HDMI cable. In the center is the power connection. A 3.5mm audio in jack is also available to connect stereo line level source devices. The control input is a 2-pin Euroblock connection that, when activated, will mute the output of the VB1. This can be connected to a building's fire alarm system. A standout feature is the Usbc Pc Port. This allows a one-cable connection between the computer and VB1, allowing video, audio, and data to be streamed over a single cable. Use the provided 5-meter USB-C cable to connect this port and your PC or Mac, and you not only have microphone, loudspeakers, and camera needed for the meeting, you're ready to display the meeting on the room display with just one cable. A USB-C to A adapter is included for use with computers lacking a USB-C port. To meet multiple mounting needs, the mounting arms swing in or out to be used with the included table stand or wall mount kit, in addition to the separately sold VB1 display mounting kit. This concludes the Bose Videobar VB1 hardware overview. We've shown you the hardware technologies that make it possible to have a best-in-class, one-cable meeting solution. Continue your learning journey by moving through this series of tutorials. Thank you.